Introducing the Duralam Integra from Scandicor. Holding up to a 1,000-foot roll of 1.7mm film, the Duralam's large roll capability is a huge benefit as it cuts reloadings in half. The extra long power cord ensures you're plugged in no matter where you set up. With adjustable speeds, the Duralam can stay as slow as necessary to make the operator feel comfortable, and the feeder guide keeps your product straight as it's fed into the rollers to be laminated. The Integra uses a heated roller system with only 2 heating elements, reducing the number of heaters and simplifying the infrared temperature control system. Adjustable auto shutoff makes sure you never need to worry about your Duralam staying on longer than you need. Removing the 2 end panels allows access to all major components, making repairs as simple as possible. The Duralam Integra from Scandicor, a safer, simpler laminating solution.